Burlington Mayor Emma Mulvaney Stanek has issued an executive order against the Burlington Police Department. It requires BPD to receive direct approval from the mayor's office before they can publicize any press releases.
Now, this order has raised some questions on whether it's impeding on BPD officers' First Amendment rights to free speech.
Our Anna Goober spoke with legal experts to find out some answers and joins us in the newsroom with what they had to say. Anna?
Yeah, well, Liz and Brian, I spoke with a constitutional rights expert who says the mayor is fully within her rights to issue this order and limit what a public employee can say when they're acting within their professional duties, especially in cases when that speech could prevent a defendant from facing a fair and impartial jury. Now take a look here. This is the executive order the mayor's office put out on Wednesday. It says all press releases issued by Burlington Police must be sent to the mayor's office for approval first. The order includes emergency releases as well. Now again, the decision to issue the order was made after Chief John Murad made public comments about a defendant, Michael Reynolds. Police say Reynolds is a repeat offender with more than 200 charges, including misdemeanors, felonies, and violations of court orders. After his most recent arrest on December 27th, Murad wrote in a press release that Reynolds has, quote, more police encounters than anyone else in our records management system. He also commented on it in an interview with NBC5.
I think it's time for other options to be explored merely than having police officers respond again and again to interrupt behavior in the moment without finding longer-term solutions to something that is dangerous and that is unacceptable.
Now, legal experts say Murad's comments could impact Reynolds' ability to face a fair and impartial jury in a trial. That's why Jared Carter at Vermont Law and Graduate School says the mayor has a right to issue an order that would prevent Murad or any BPD officers from making public statements like these while in their capacity as officers with the Burlington Police, and says that this order is from this order, the mayor is sending a big message.
That when it comes to the constitutional rights of defendants, at least this mayoral administration is taking those rights seriously because, of course, every defendant, no matter how many times they've had contact with law enforcement, has the constitutional right to an impartial jury of their peers.
We reached out to Chief John Murad, who said he would not comment at this time and says he's adhering to the parameters of the executive order. Anna Goober, NBC5 News.